The ammeter. Definition. Instrument for measuring either direct, DC, or alternating, AC, electric current, in amperes. Connection diagram. Method statements/procedures. For a DC circuit. 1. Check the polarity before connecting any instrument or load, if it's a DC circuit. 2. Connections shall be done as per the circuit shown. 3. The ammeter has to be connected in series to the load, to read the current flows through the load. 4. The ammeter must be connected in series to the circuit. This is very important, that the ammeter has current coil in it, and it possess a very minute resistance to the flow of current. An ideal ammeter has zero resistance in their current coil, so if it's connected in parallel, there won't be any current flow towards the load. In fact, the circuit will be short-circuited if the ammeter connected in parallel to the circuit. 5. Once connected the circuit, the ammeter read the current taken by the load. Thank you.